Hey, what's up everybody? Back again with another unboxing. The SP Armor A30. It's another personal hard drive. It also has the 3.1 Gen 1 portable hard drive. Go ahead and do the unboxing on this one. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, you guys. So we got the SP Armor A30, shockproof, scratch resistant. We also, well, it also has the 3-year warranty. That's good. So they're backing up their thing. Most company only does 1 year. It's got the other stuff on there, but here are the specs on there. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Alright. So, out of the box, got nothing in there. So, the instructions. Get this crap. Who freaking cares about that? So set this aside. So what we got, it comes with, oh, this is cool. So they got a holder for the wires, and basically, and it's a USB to USB. And I guess this thing no charges. It doesn't charge. It basically goes into your straight to your laptop. It's like plug and play already. The feeling on this thing doesn't feel cheap or anything. I mean, if it's durable, it's got the rubber guards on there, so like say if you drop it on the sides, it'll bounce. That's cool. That's basically it. That's all it comes with, you guys. I'll probably get down to the next the review on this and see how it is, and start doing this. All right. So that's it for right now, and I'll get to the next unboxing. Hey you guys, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell for the notifications, so whenever I get a new unboxing or an open unboxing or whatever's, you get hit up and notify you. Alright, don't forget to comment if you want to, and share. Alright, peace.